Hello? Hello, Chamaka. Chamaka. How you go do me this kind thing? Chamaka, how you go do me this kind thing, Chamaka? Chamaka, you say ulcer hold you. You say you get ulcer, Chamaka. But we go hotel, Chamaka, you chop 5 plates of pepper soup. You chop 5 plates of pepper soup. And you say ulcer hold you. Nah, they don't go hold me now. You chop my waka comot, they don't go hold me now. For 3 months, Chamaka, 3 months. 3 good months. I think they wash plates to pay for pepper soup where you chop. Hello? Chamaka! She don't cut call. Chamaka! Chamaka, I'm gonna punish you!